Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super cool DIY project. I'm going to show you how to make and use a knife sharpening machine powered by an armature motor. It's honestly way easier than it sounds and the results are amazing. So, I started by setting up the motor, which is going to give us the power to turn that dull knife into something sharp and ready for anything. The motor spins at high speed, and all we need to do is run the blade along the sharpening stone, letting the machine do all the hard work. It's a fast, clean, and efficient way to get your knives back in perfect shape. Seriously, after using this setup, sharpening by hand is going to feel like a thing of the past. I hope you guys enjoyed this little project. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment if you have any questions or thoughts. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.